Okay, on today's video, we'll be figuring out how to find flat, or figure out why the tire's going flat. Usually, it's because of nail or something, but we need to find it. And there's people out there that don't know how to do this, so N.R.T is going to tell you how. Get yourself an air compressor. I'm using my N12 Milwaukee. Put it on. A regular air compressor will work just fine. Turn on. Try to tear it up. Alright, take your soapy water and just flow around the tire. And where you find bubbles, here, I'll show you. Only at N.R.T, guys. Only at N.R.T. You see that? You see that? Let's try it again. You see what that's doing there? The hole's right there. And looking at it, looks like something poked at it because there's no nail right there. It's a rip. So we're going to have to get a patch. But I'll go ahead and mark that. And go ahead and mark that right there. And we found it. So that is how you find why your tire's leaking. All the other ones hold there, but somehow that one got hit a rock or something and it ripped. So I need to find, or I need to get a patch repair kit. I do have a clear shred repair. I do have a thing of tires still in it. But I don't know. I need to get a patch kit for it. I have a patch kit for this. And sometimes you can get multiple, but that is where the stinking air was coming from on this thing. So we found where the leak was. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Just wanted to make this short little video for you. So hopefully this helps. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, share this video. Leave a like, leave a comment about what you, or how you find a leak in your tires. Until next time, guys, this is N.R.T with N.R.T Outdoor Performance, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for stopping by.